So this is called a hurdle stitch. Isn't that interesting? And it's you can use it on both sides. It's a little bit different on each side, but they do look very nice on both sides. So that means you can use this like for a scarf or anything that you want to have both sides look nice. So this is done on an even number of stitches, and I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. This is a number 4 yarn, and I'm using 8 US needles. And so it is 4 row repeat. So you do 2 rows of garter and 2 rows of ribbing. The good thing with this is that it doesn't curl. It stays pretty flat because of the combination of knits and purls. So let's do this. You cast on your stitches any way you wish, and I'm using the long tail cast on. I'm going to cast on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's enough for you so that you can see what I'm doing. So row number 1 you knit. So let's knit the whole row. I think it would be nice to make like placemats with this because it becomes pretty thick, even if you want to make washcloths. So row number 2 you also knit. There we go. Oh yeah, placemats would look nice. Washcloths, pot holders. Pot holders would be nice because it becomes thick. Row number 3, you knit and purl. Knit and purl. So it's ribbing. We're almost there. And row number 4 is also ribbing. So just a second. So that means you're going to do 2 rows of knitting, just plain knit, and 2 rows of knit 1, purl 1, ribbing. And that's it. You repeat these 4 rows for as long as you want your piece to be. And that's it. So let me show you this again. That's what it looks like. See? So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. I'll see you next time.